Looking for a smart way to keep your valuables and gear hidden and secure in your vehicle? The Instatrunk Modular storage system offers up to 2.7 cubic feet of lockable space, giving you peace of mind by keeping your belongings out of sight behind the rear seat when the tailgate is closed. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in security and convenience. What makes the Instatrunk stand out is its clever modular design. It's easy to assemble and just as easy to remove when you need more room or want to take it with you. The rubber rear edge seals snugly against the closed tailgate, protecting your gear from dust and prying eyes. Plus, it comes with all the mounting hardware and clear instructions you need for a hassle-free installation. One satisfied user shared, "Why did I wait so long to buy this? It fits perfectly and is very well made. Installation was straightforward, and I even swapped out the included hardware for self-locking screws to secure it better. The peace of mind it brings is worth every penny." That's the kind of real-world proof that shows this product delivers on its promise. If you're tired of worrying about your gear being visible or unsecured, the Instatrunk is worth a look. It's durable, practical, and designed to safeguard what matters most without complicating your setup. Try it when you're ready to add an extra layer of security and organization to your vehicle.